shot here, just before we pull the motor out of the car. We're going to rebuild it. As you can see, wheels are now back 10 inches, like what we had discussed. Got leaf bags in it. We got the frame box. Took a couple of leaves out. Then boxed and plated the sides here. So the back ride height's a little bit lower than what we're going to be driving around on, and the front's a little higher as well than what we're going to be driving around on. I decided that we're going to do airbags in the back just to pose the car, so it's got a little bit of a gasser look when you park it. Fender fell down. But squeeze that motor in at the end. And I just love how the supercharger pokes right out on this. It's exactly what we want to see. Just pokes out. So that's center. Coming up on the side, you see airbox. It's got the Kaiser 226. Factory supercharged for 1954. We put the chrome reverse on the back now. And the rest of it, yeah, we got to figure out the brakes. You can grab a headlight here and kind of see what it looks like. Somewhere in here. I think they're actually supposed to be like that, but I'd much like it lower. Top of this line of the fender, you know, if we go through the middle of the headlight. These are beautiful too. Yeah, so next coming up is going to be doing the transmission tunnel on this, and then we're going to just get the steering going and brakes, of course. Thought I'd just film it one more time here though before we pull the motor out, and then we don't get to see that again for a bit. There's that 10-inch gap that I wanted there. So the box will come out to the edge of the frame rail there. We just slapped that gas tank in temporarily, but just to see the width, we're going to make that fit real nice. Put the airbags on it, but I'll be doing a video once we get it mounted up with the airbags, and we'll be able to see it. Well, thanks for checking it out, and I hope you see the picture now with how the supercharger went in, or the motor. So yeah, we'll do one up here again pretty quick. Have a nice one. Talk to you soon.